How's it? This is Sam with Vintage Ukulele, and today we are going to talk about a pretty unique ukulele, a coconut shell ukulele made by Honolulu music factory Niu Kani. So today let's talk about this little vintage ukulele, a Niu Kani. So this was made in 1926 is the reported date that this company, Honolulu Music Factory, started to build these, and they wanted to build roughly about 500,000 of them a year, which never happened. But they did build these, and don't know an exact amount, but it's a pretty unique ukulele. You know, back in the day, luthiers were trying to come up with different styles to kind of set themselves apart. And this company, Honolulu Music Factory, decided to build a coconut ukulele. And it's pretty simple. It's made out of a halved coconut shell and then koa laid for a soundboard, as well as a koa neck. So this one isn't strung up right now, but there are links below that there's a few friends of mine that actually played these. You can see a link at Ukulele Mania, and they actually have sound bites of this style of ukulele. Sounds pretty nice. So this one, I'll give you a little detail. Koa top. Nice one-piece neck with frets inlaid. And a Niu Kani has a very unique headstock. Has this, I don't know, kind of a V-shape flower tulip style headstock. This one doesn't have a taboo stamp like you see on some of the older versions made from Hawaii. But this one actually is branded and it says made in Hawaii. So this one still has the original wood pegs. As you can see, nice coconut shell and a pretty small bridge. So anyway, Niu Kani wasn't the first coconut ukulele. There are earlier models you find from French Polynesia that are represented, as well as later on in the 1930s, companies like the Cox brothers came out with a patent. I think it was 1938. They came out with a patent for a coconut style ukulele. There was also a luthier in Hilo that also built, I believe his name was Joseph Wainui out of Hilo, and that was in 1935, 1936. He also built coconut shell style ukuleles, and you can actually see one of his ukuleles in MIM, the Musical Instrument Museum in Arizona. So anyway, if you have an ukulele like this, you know, please share in our comments below. You can also send us an email and let us know what you got, and send us pictures. Love to see what you have. Our email address is thevintageukulele@gmail.com. Make sure you like us, share this content, and hit that notification bell. And let your friends know. Please, we have a ton of ukuleles that we're going to be showing off on this channel, and you know, you can be the first to check it out. So we also have our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, obviously. So make sure to check those channels out. You can actually see more detailed photos of a lot of our collection. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one.